Senior travel is evolving, and if you're not in the know, you might find yourself facing unexpected hurdles at the airport. Many airlines offer special perks for seniors, but these benefits are often overlooked. Imagine you're at the gate, ready to board, when the airline staff says, "We can't apply for the senior discount without the correct ID." Are you prepared for the frustration and embarrassment? I guess not. Well, this video is here to save you from that stress and hassle. Stay tuned as we unravel the travel secrets no airline would ever tell you about. Number 8. Airline loyalty programs. These programs are like hidden gems in the travel industry, offering perks that can transform your flying experience from mundane to magnificent. At their core, these programs are designed to reward frequent flyers with a range of benefits, from free flights to exclusive lounge access. For seniors who often have the luxury of time and flexibility, these programs can be a game changer. Imagine being able to skip the long lines at check-in or enjoy a quiet moment in a plush airport lounge before your flight. These are not just perks. They're ways to make travel less stressful and more enjoyable. And the best part? Many airlines offer special considerations for older travelers, such as age-based discounts or additional assistance, making it even easier to rack up those miles and points. Now, you might wonder how these programs actually make money. It's a fascinating process. Airlines create miles as a sort of virtual currency and sell them to partners like banks and credit card companies. This means that every time you swipe your co-branded credit card, you're not just earning points. You're also contributing to a massive revenue stream for the airline. For seniors, this is particularly beneficial because many are already using credit cards for everyday purchases. By choosing a card linked to an airline loyalty program, you can effortlessly accumulate points that can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, or even hotel stays. It's like getting rewarded for spending money you were going to spend anyway. Number 7. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is like that trusty umbrella you carry around on a cloudy day. You might not always need it, but when the rain starts pouring, you'll be glad you have it. For seniors, this is especially true. As we age, the likelihood of unexpected health issues or trip disruptions increases. That's where travel insurance steps in, offering a safety net for those unforeseen circumstances. Imagine you're all set for a dream cruise, but a sudden illness forces you to cancel. With the right travel insurance, you can recover those non-refundable costs, saving you from financial heartache. Now let's talk numbers. A comprehensive travel insurance plan for seniors typically costs about 5 to 10% of the total trip cost. So if you're planning a $4,000 vacation, expect to pay between $200 and $400 for peace of mind. And here's a fun fact. Some plans even cover pre-existing conditions if you purchase them within a specific time frame after booking your trip. This means you can focus on enjoying your travels rather than worrying about what-ifs. Plus, many policies offer 24/7 emergency assistance, so help is just a phone call away, no matter where you are in the world. Travel insurance isn't just about medical emergencies. It also covers things like trip cancellations, interruptions, and even lost luggage. Could you imagine being on a European adventure and your suitcase decides to take its own detour? With baggage delay coverage, you can buy essentials while waiting for your luggage to catch up. It's like having a personal assistant who ensures your trip goes smoothly, even when life throws a curveball. So, seniors, don't skip on travel insurance. It's your ticket to stress-free adventures. Number 6. Seat selection. Seat selection, the art of choosing your throne in the sky. For seniors, this isn't just about comfort. It's about ensuring a pleasant journey from takeoff to landing. Airlines often keep quiet about the best seats, but knowing how to pick the right one can make all the difference. First off, consider the legroom. Some airlines offer extra legroom seats for a small fee, and trust me, your knees will thank you. These seats are usually located in the exit rows or near the front of the plane, providing ample space to stretch out. But it's not just about legroom. Seniors should also think about proximity to restrooms and ease of access. Sitting closer to the front means you're one of the first to deplane, which is a blessing after a long flight. Plus, being near the restroom can be a lifesaver, especially on those lengthy international flights. And here's a tip. Some airlines allow you to select your seat for free during online check-in, so mark your calendar and snag that perfect spot as soon as the window opens. Seniors can also benefit from choosing seats with more storage space. such as seats near the overhead bins or underseat storage. This can be especially useful for seniors who need to bring medical equipment or other essential items on board. In terms of stats, a study by the International Air Transport Association found that 71% of passengers consider seat comfort to be an important factor when choosing an airline. For seniors, seat comfort is especially important, as they may be more susceptible to discomfort and fatigue during long flights. When selecting a seat, seniors should also consider the airline's seat selection policies. Some airlines offer free seat selection for seniors, while others may charge a fee. For example, Southwest Airlines offers free seat selection for all passengers, including seniors, while other airlines may charge up to $100 for seat selection. Now let's talk about the middle seat, the dreaded middle seat. Avoid it like the plague unless you're traveling with family and want to stay close. Instead, aim for an aisle seat, which offers more freedom to move around without disturbing your neighbors. And if you're flying solo, consider the window seat for a view that's worth 1,000 words. Remember, a comfortable seat can turn a long flight into a relaxing experience, so choose wisely and enjoy the journey. Number 5. Comfort essentials. You know, those little things that can turn a long flight from a test of endurance into a pleasant journey. For seniors, comfort is key, and airlines have a few tricks up their sleeves to help with that. One of the best-kept secrets is the availability of extra legroom seats. While they might cost a bit more, they can be a game-changer for those who need a little extra space to stretch out. And here's a tip. Some airlines offer these seats for free to seniors if you ask nicely at check-in. It's like getting an upgrade without the price tag. Another comfort essential is the humble travel pillow and blanket. Airlines often provide these on long-haul flights, but did you know you can request them even on shorter trips? A good neck pillow can prevent those awkward head bobs when you nod off, and a cozy blanket can keep the chill at bay. Plus, if you're someone who feels the cold more than others, don't hesitate to ask for an extra blanket. The cabin crew usually has a stash tucked away for just such requests. Let's not forget about noise-canceling headphones. These are a godsend for blocking out the hum of the engines and the chatter of fellow passengers. Some airlines offer them in business class, but seniors can sometimes snag a pair by simply asking. It's worth it for the peace and quiet, especially if you're trying to catch some shut-eye or enjoy an in-flight movie without interruptions. Lastly, hydration is crucial, especially for seniors. The dry air in airplanes can be dehydrating, so it's important to drink plenty of water. While airlines do provide water, bringing a reusable water bottle that you can fill up after security is a smart move. Some airports even have water stations specifically for this purpose. Staying hydrated helps keep energy levels up and can prevent issues like headaches and fatigue during the flight. Number 4. Assistance services. Now on to assistance services, which are a lifeline for many senior travelers. Did you know that most airlines offer special assistance for seniors, but you have to request it in advance? This can include everything from wheelchair services to priority boarding. It's like having a VIP pass through the airport, making the whole process smoother and less stressful. Just remember to call the airline at least 48 hours before your flight to arrange these services. For those who might need a little extra help, some airlines provide personal assistance from curb to gate. This means someone will be there to help with luggage, navigate through security, and get you to your gate on time. It's a fantastic service for seniors who might find airports overwhelming or tiring. Plus, it gives peace of mind knowing there's someone there to lend a hand if needed. In-flight assistance is another area where airlines quietly excel. If you have specific dietary needs or require medication at certain times, let the airline know ahead of time. They can accommodate special meal requests and even remind you when it's time to take your meds. It's all about making the journey as comfortable and stress-free as possible. Let's also talk about connecting flights. These can be tricky, especially if there's a tight layover. But here's a little-known fact. Airlines often have staff on standby to assist seniors with connections. Whether it's getting from one gate to another or ensuring your luggage makes the transfer, they're there to help. It's like having a personal guide through the maze of the airport, ensuring you reach your destination without a hitch. Number 3. Special meal options. We all know airplane food isn't exactly Michelin-starred cuisine, but did you know there are special meal options that cater specifically to dietary needs? For seniors, this can be a game changer. Airlines offer a variety of meals like diabetic-friendly, gluten-free, and even Indian vegetarian meals, AVML, that are aromatic and spicy, incorporating flavors from the Indian subcontinent. These meals include vegetables, fresh and dried fruits, legumes, dairy products, tofu, cereal, grains, and vegetarian gelatin. It's like having a little taste of home at 30,000 feet. But here's the kicker. You have to request these meals in advance. It's not like you can just snap your fingers and have a gourmet meal appear. On United, for example, you can request a special meal by viewing your trip with your confirmation number and last name, selecting Special Meal, and entering your preference. It's a simple process, but one that requires a bit of planning. And let's face it, planning is something seniors excel at. After all, they've been doing it for decades. Now, you might be wondering why airlines don't advertise these options more. Well, it's probably because they want to keep the standard meal service running smoothly without too many custom orders. But for those in the know, these special meals can make a long flight much more enjoyable. Plus, it's a great way to ensure that dietary restrictions are respected, which is crucial for maintaining health during travel. And here's a little tip. Always double-check with the airline a few days before your flight to confirm your meal request. You don't want to be stuck with a mystery meat surprise when you were expecting a delicious vegetarian curry. So, next time you're booking a flight, remember to explore the special meal options. Your taste buds will thank you. Number 2. Priority boarding. Next on our list is priority boarding, a perk that can make a world of difference for senior travelers. Imagine skipping the long lines and boarding the plane at your own pace. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, for seniors, this isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Priority boarding allows elderly passengers to settle into their seats without the rush and chaos of general boarding. It's like having a VIP pass to a concert, but instead of front row seats, you get a stress-free start to your journey. Airlines often provide priority boarding for seniors, especially those with mobility issues or disabilities. This means you can board before the economy groups, giving you ample time to stow your carry-on, get comfortable, and maybe even chat with the flight attendants about the weather. Some airlines, like Southwest, offer early bird check-in, which reserves a boarding position ahead of time, improving your chances of getting a better seat. It's a small investment for a big payoff in comfort and convenience. But here's the thing. Not all airlines advertise this service prominently. It's one of those perks you have to ask about, like a secret handshake among frequent flyers. If you're flying with an airline like American or Delta, you might need to pay a small fee for priority boarding, but trust me, it's worth every penny. The peace of mind knowing you won't have to jostle through a crowd is priceless. And let's not forget the added benefit of extra legroom. Many seniors prefer aisle seats for easy access to the restroom and the ability to stretch their legs. With priority boarding, you have a better chance of snagging one of these coveted spots. So next time you're booking a flight, don't hesitate to inquire about priority boarding. It's a little-known secret that can transform your travel experience from hectic to heavenly. Number 1. Senior discounts. Now, you might think discounts are just a small perk, but for seniors, they can be a game changer. Many airlines offer discounts to travelers aged 65 and above, but here's the kicker. They don't always advertise them openly. For instance, Delta Airlines provides senior discounts on select flights, but you often have to call their customer service to get the details. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you find savings. And it's not just Delta. American Airlines and United Airlines also have similar offers. The key is to ask. Remember, there's no harm in asking, and sometimes that's all it takes to unlock a world of savings. Now let's break down how these discounts work. Typically, they apply to specific routes or flights, so flexibility is your best friend here. If you're open to adjusting your travel dates or destinations, you might snag a deal that's too good to pass up. And don't forget about AARP memberships. Many airlines offer additional discounts if you're an AARP member, which is another reason to consider joining if you haven't already. It's like having a VIP pass to the world of travel discounts. These discounts aren't just limited to flights. Some airlines extend them to other services like baggage fees or seat upgrades. Imagine flying in comfort without breaking the bank. It's like getting a first-class experience at economy prices. And speaking of prices, did you know that airline ticket prices often drop on Tuesdays? It's true. So if you're planning a trip, try booking on a Tuesday to maximize your savings. It's like hitting the jackpot without even trying. And here's a little insider tip. Always check the airline's website for any special promotions or deals. Sometimes they have exclusive online offers that you won't find anywhere else. It's like finding a hidden Easter egg in a video game. Unexpected, but oh so rewarding. Plus, signing up for airline newsletters can keep you in the loop about upcoming sales or discounts. It's like having a personal travel assistant who keeps you updated on all the best deals. Lastly, let's not forget about the power of negotiation. Yes, you heard that right. Sometimes simply talking to a customer service representative can get you a better deal. Whether it's a discount on your ticket or a complimentary upgrade, it never hurts to ask. After all, the worst they can say is no, and the best? Well, the sky's the limit. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section down below and turn on your notifications to know when next we upload. See you in our next video. Bye.